Today I will be taking a look at the Speck Candyshell Grip for the iPhone X. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I just picked up 2 more cases to add to my iPhone X collection. I'll be unboxing the Speck Candyshell Grip. I have it in charcoal gray, poppy red, and in a gray-black color. I have the links included in the description below. So let's take a quick look at the cases. This is a charcoal poppy red color. So let's see what it says on the back. On the back it says it's drop tested and meets or exceeds military grade standards. It has dual layer impact protection, extra screen safety with raised bezel, and a secure hold. I'll take it out of the box now. Let's see what we have here. So it has a pretty solid feel to it. The back is glossy and has textured grip. The grip is placed on the right places and extends to the back. It's not just around the edges. Inside has a soft rubber feel to it. And as I mentioned, the back is glossy. And you can see the Speck branding right here. So let's put the phone in. I'll start by putting one side in. Now pressing the sides in. It installs fairly easy, just takes a little push. I do have a glass screen protector and it looks like it plays nice with it. You can see the cutout here for the speakers and power. They're done nicely. And here you can see the raised bezel. So if you put the phone down, there's a bit of protection. And the glass has no issue. Nice feel to it. The grip really helps, especially that it extends towards the back and not just around the outer edges. The camera seems to have good protection on the back here, and the buttons are covered and pressed down nicely. So now let's take a look at how the black and gray look like. I'll speed it up here a little bit. This is exactly like the other one, except just a different color. Everything's the same. Branding, grip, inside texture. And there it is installed with the gray-black. There you have it, the Speck Candyshell Grip. I might also add that they are compatible with wireless charging from the information I gathered online. The cases range from $18 to $25 depending on the colors. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.